Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix NSFW filter blocking normal content on OpenArt. So this is usually happens because OpenArt's NSFW filter is over sensitive. Okay, and flags normal prompts as risky due to certain words, styles, or visual combinations. So actually, guys, first you will need to remove the trigger words that you include on your description or your prompt. So even in no-sense prompts can get blocked if they include words the filter misreads. So the common triggers like sexy, seductive or seductive, and we have hot, also body, focus, scan, bed, bath, shower, teen, young looking, exposed, nude, lightning, etc. So you will need to replace these by elegant portrait, fashion photography, fashion lighting or studio lighting, casual outfits, etc. Okay, and also you'll need to rephrase your prompt to be more photography, like the filter is less strict on professional and artistic farming. So instead of beautiful woman in a dress in a bed, you can use cinematic portrait of a woman in a bedroom setting, soft lighting, patient photography style. So that's the same idea but safer wording. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.